Welcome back to House of Manners, everybody. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic that is really making its rounds within the community. That topic is one of a different leaf, not tobacco leaf, but tea leaf. That's right, tea. A lot of people talking about tea. We got Captain Burley Slice drinking tea. We got Cactus Piper sending people tea. We got Fistful of Briar drinking chai tea. We got tea upon tea upon tea. And everybody's drinking tea. Not drinking whiskey, they're drinking tea. So I want to throw my hat into the ring because I've been drinking tea a long time. And today I'm going to show you a tea that pairs with tobacco so well that you might not make any other tea. Let's do it. Now, when it comes to tea, there is so much variety out there. In fact, there's just as much variety in tea, I think, there is pipe tobacco and cigars and whiskey. It's just, there's all kinds of places to start. And there's all kinds of different types, whether it's, black tea, green tea, matcha, Darjeeling, Earl Grey. There's just so many options out there. And the question is, where do I start? What is a tea that will pair beautifully with pipe tobacco? And today I want to show you a tea recipe that I think is better than any other tea recipe that I have. A tea recipe that you have to understand is extremely powerful and strong, and you got to be cautious on how you make it. But I think you'll find that it pairs absolutely beautiful with pipe tobacco and cigars. So the question you're probably asking is, okay, let's start with what kind of tea is it? Is it some cool chai tea? Is it some sort of cinnamon spiced black tea blend with orange? Is it some sort of really cool cacao chai? Maybe it's a red, what in the world is this? Red honeybrush tea? Honey, why don't we get some red honeybrush tea? What is that? What's that? Or how about Lipton? The Long Island iced tea. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're going to get yourself a shaker. I actually really like the Yeti shakers. They're actually really, really nice. A little bit pricey, but it's better than that bartender shaker thing. It's really small and cheap. I don't like it. This is something that's gonna last me a long time, so I like this a lot. First thing I do is gonna do 1 ounce of vodka. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of clear rum. Next, 1 ounce of gin. I actually like this gin. This has got a little citrus note in it. Makes a really good Long Island iced tea, if you know what I mean. Try it. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of triple sec. Now, I like this. This is a little fancier version of triple sec. This is the dry, stuff with the words. Now you shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. You want to get some air in it. Last thing you do, top it off with a little Coke. There you have it, Long Island iced tea. Not for the weak at heart, I'll tell you that. Yummy. So there you have it, my favorite tea, the Long Island iced tea. Strong, powerful drink, delicious. Especially if we had a long day at work, springtime like this. It's good to have one just to kind of enjoy the flavor profile. And the tobaccos I like to smoke when I drink something like that, surprisingly, is aromatics. And I'm not the biggest aromatic fan, but when it comes to these type of mixed drinks, I find that aromatics really hit the spot with this particular type of cocktail. Right now, I'm smoking something that I haven't smoked in a long time. Sutliff Mellow Peach. It goes so good with that drink. And that's what I recommend. Something sweet, something that's got a lot of good aroma to it to really open the senses. Whether it's something like a Sutliff Mellow Peach, maybe a Selim's Black, great blend, especially when it's fresh. This is one of my absolute favorites. This is a small batch release from Country Squire, the Blue Ribbon. It's like blackberry cobbler. Oh, so good. I do like some Autumn Evening with a little age on it. Actually, believe it or not, this is one of the few aromatics I think you put in a jar for a little while actually does get better, in my opinion. Not to be mistaken with GLP's Gaslight. Strauss Gaslight is also really good. The point is finding something that has a little bit of a sweeter profile to it to go with this amazing cocktail. So good. So good. What kind of tea do you like to drink with your tobacco? It's probably not as stout as this, but let me tell you, this is really delicious. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.